from me in my little animated persona, a little Lizzie McGuire moment. We even have matching moles. I'm trying out a voiceover makeup tutorial. Here is our color palette for the day. There's a lot of turquoise, aqua, teal, cyan, if you will, as well as some pinks. I got inspired for a pink inner corner because of all the calamine products that I've been using for my pimples and mosquito bites. Is that TMI? We are gonna go in with the two matte shades, Oceanfront and Beach Ball, with the Morphe M504 brush on our outer corner and inner crease. We are gonna be going in a back and forth sweeping motion. Next up, we are going in with just Beach Ball, the teal shade, with our Sonia Kashuk fluffy flat brush in the outer lower lash line. Have this cute slanted face, and you know what? It gets even worse. We're gonna go in with the lighter Oceanfront shade, and of course, we have to prep for the face. Well, check yourself out in the mirror. Then the Tidal Wave metallic shade, we are going to focus it on the inner lid. So first we're going to go in with a swiping motion, then pat it out upwards and towards the outer lid with lighter pressure. We are going to go in with both of the matte shades with the Sonia Kashuk brush, and we are going to dull the shimmer on the outer lid and define the outer corner a little more. And for the pop of pink, we're going to go in with Donut with a Clinique pencil brush. I also placed the pink in my inner lower lash line as well. And then to lighten up the inner corner a little bit more, I go into Seashell, which is the shimmery topper shade. We're gonna go back in with a pink just to make it pink enough. Can you see it? Because I can't. Dang, girl, I can't wink to save my life. And here are a couple cute shots of a Lancome teal eyeliner I ended up not using. I would ideally finish the look with a colored eyeliner. However, my tight line couldn't pick up any pigment, but it's the thought that counts. We're finishing it off with some lashes, aka natural lashes. It's embarrassing how blind I am, honestly. I go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara, and I just realized that the outer packaging color matches my eyeshadow. And then some Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof to separate the lashes. And here is the finished look. Also, say hello to my one stray hair that wanted the spotlight today. I don't know where it got permission, but okay. For more looks, don't forget to check out my Instagram page. Till the next video, see ya. Diving out.